A woman removed from a flight refuses to accept what happened. As deputies try to calm her down, the situation quickly spirals into an arrest at the airport.
He be racist! He keep me off the plane!
Okay, all right.
He be racist!
All right, give me a minute.
He keep me off the plane!
Turn around.
Yes,
Turn
sir.
around. This
He
is for
be racist. He
my
keep me
safety and yours.
off the plane.
Put your hand behind your back, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bravo 20, can you get clear line on the signal
I'm not anticipating.
All right.
He picked on me.
Come on. Let's go sit over here. Come sit over here. Ma'am, come sit over here.
No, ma'am. I'm listening to you.
Okay, we're gonna come sit.
Bravo 20, it's going to be
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I want to say it for the RCT. They're advising it's still counting from time.
But don't be racist and kick me off a plane. He did kick me off a plane. Over nothing. I wasn't doing nothing. Ask all of them. I wasn't doing
But it's
nothing.
too late for that now. All right?
I don't
It's just too late for
care.
that.
I
It's
wasn't
too
doing
late for that.
nothing. It's
All
still racism. Call racism what racism is.
All right.
Man, I done lost too many friends for this racist ass.
You gotta,
I lost too many friends for this white
You
ass
go
people.
back.
I need to ask you a question. Are you on any medication or are you?
No, text me.
No, we're trying to find out if you have something medical going on.
No, ma'am, they picked on me and I'm hurt.
How much have you had to drink today?
I had about 2 double shots and 2 seltzers.
Okay. Well, ma'am, what's your name?
Chelsea,
Chelsea, Deputy Soto.
I can't shake your
Oh,
hand.
that's okay. Deputy Soto, Deputy Schaffner.
Can you
Listen,
wipe the hair on my mouth?
listen. I don't have any gloves on.
Can you wipe the hair on my mouth? I
We're gonna-
promise I ain't gonna bite you.
You told me. Okay.
He gave me a the
Look at me, listen to me.
He told me.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
It was in my bag.
We're gonna get your ID. Listen to me now.
I just wanted to go home.
Okay,
I
but
didn't
listen
want
to
no
me.
problem. I didn't want no problem.
All right, but now listen to me. Listen to me. I'm gonna ask you something. You told Deputy Schaffner that you had 2 drinks, 2
Yeah,
shots, right?
I did.
Maybe that's probably why.
I was sitting down and being quiet and they came to me and picked on me.
Well,
Didn't nobody else say shit but them. I
listen,
was not
it's-
saying nothing
it's-
about it. I was just sitting down being quiet trying to
it's
go
too late.
home and handle my
But
shit.
now it's too late for that. Now,
But they gonna pick on me because I know that love is love.
Okay.
And because I'm not racist, they gonna pick on me.
it's all right. Relax.
Yeah, I'm getting loud because I got a problem with racism. I got a big ass problem with racism. I don't even care. Just take me in prison. I don't even give a motherfucking care. But y'all ain't gonna hate on.
All right.
Y'all ain't gonna just tell me that because I don't submit that fucking black is different than white because I ain't gonna ever submit to that.
Man, we're not.
I ain't gonna submit to that.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You're
Hey, y'all being racist, I don't care. I don't even care.
okay. There's
I don't even care if you pick on white people. White people, you can pick on me all you want.
All right.
I don't even care. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing
Get out
wrong.
of cuffed already.
Sir,
Yeah, we're gonna take her out.
stand up.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
She repeatedly accused the crew of being racist and insisted she had done nothing wrong. Despite several attempts to calm her down, she continued yelling and refused to listen to deputies. When asked if she had been drinking, she admitted to having 2 double shots and 2 alcoholic seltzers. Deputies tried to explain that they needed to identify her and figure out what had happened. Instead, she became even more emotional, screaming at officers and everyone around her. As they prepared to move her outside, she continued shouting racial accusations and making threats toward airport staff.
No, fool, they don't keep me off the plane 'cause I ain't white enough, fool.
Ma'am, there
I killed your white asses.
There
Them
are
white
children
asses.
here. There are children here.
I don't
Okay.
even care. Your white ass. That's white man too. I promise to God, those white asses. Get your white ass lay out the plane 'cause you ain't white enough. No, I ain't white enough. You're racism. You're racism. Lock me up. I don't care if you let me out. Lock me up, you racist ass. Racist ass motherfucker ass. Can I give a motherfucker? I'm just trying to fly home and do right. Ask me if I give a f- if I'm just racist ass motherfucker. I ain't submitting to this shit. Yo, y'all pick on a white bitch trying to fly home and go to prison. Pick on me. Pick on me.
Chelsea,
I'll
relax. Down.
And I ain't drunk enough to put up with your
Okay.
pick on me.
Okay. Okay.
Pick on me. I'll
All right.
do.
Have a
Kill me.
seat.
I'll give him. I promise to God.
Get shackles?
Get him. We don't. I'll give him. You white ass motherfucker. You white ass motherfucker.
Let's go.
Oh, let's pick on her. She's trying to go to prison. Let's pick on her. She's trying to send her ass back to prison. I'll give him. Kills racist ass. Kills racist ass motherfucker. I'm just trying to fly home and go to prison. Y'all trying to hate on somebody. Cause if it ain't white, it ain't right. Well, y'all. Yo, racist ass motherfucker. You. And I promise to go home and kill you. You're the racist ass motherfucker. You're the racist ass.
She also refused to cooperate while deputies escorted her through the terminal. Officers carefully carried her out while trying to avoid disturbing nearby travelers, including families with children. Even after reaching the patrol vehicle, she continued resisting and yelling. She repeatedly claimed she only wanted to go home and said she had done nothing wrong.
So yeah, I'll give you back.
All right, relax.
You're racist ass motherfucker. No!
Push.
You racist!
No. Don't do that.
You just racist as real white. You are just racist!
All right, push.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
You're racist as a motherfucker! I'm trying to go home! That's because I don't agree to racism! You're gonna lock me up! Cause I know that love is love! Y'all gonna lock me up! Y'all love is love! You racist motherfucker! You racist motherfucker! Yo! All I do is try to do nothing to go home! Racist ass motherfuckers! Because I don't love only white, y'all gonna hate on me! I don't even care! I don't even care!
We care.
No, you don't!
Don't pinch. Got it?
Ow! Love is love!
I'm all right.
White people should be able to love black people!
No, we're not putting cuffs on our legs. Where's the door? On the other side? Right here, these doors. You can't go out these doors. No, go to the other door. Oh, yeah. Trust the car.
You're racist!
We're gonna have to.
Racist ass motherfucker!
Open up the back door. Let me explore.
I'm not fighting! I'm not fighting! I'm not fighting!
No, okay.
Stand up. Okay.
I'm not fighting!
Okay. All right. Stand up.
Don't shoot me!
We're not gonna do that.
Stand up. Don't take those off.
No, double lock
I'm
it.
sorry.
Never double lock.
What's your name?
Chastity.
Yeah.
Can you stand up?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, jeez.
I'm sorry, you're on for you said you
Over
were
there?
taking the street.
Where? Here?
I
I know. Hey, stop it before we go in. Sandy, come back.
We're on 300 platform.
Just take them off.
Sandy, come on over here.
No, we can't take those off now.
No.
I'm not racist, Jake. I love you. I'm trying to go
Hey,
home.
lift up your right leg.
Jake, I love you.
Chastity, lift up your right leg.
I just want to go home.
Put it up.
I just so they gonna love you. I'm not
You do
racist.
need report when you come to two plays.
I'm
References
not
and belief.
racist.
Reduce you when you try.
We believe you.
I'm
Lift up your left leg.
gonna be here. I'm not racist. You ain't gonna do me like this.
Okay.
Please give me a Bible. Send my juicy book.
Hey, I'll follow you to the jail.
Officer, my juicy book. My juicy bag. You got it? You got it?
We got everything.
We got your bag.
Where's my juicy bag? Show it.
Okay, we'll show it to you.
All right.
How much you had to drink?
No. Don't wait.
Okay.
Oh! Not enough to don't wait. Let go of me.
No.
Not enough to go straight. My camera. Yes. No, I'll let go. I
Have a
got
seat.
it.
Have a seat.
Officer, I
Have a
got it.
seat.
I will. Let me go. Ow.
Sit up.
I just want to go home. I do nothing wrong.
You'll get the opportunity to go home as soon as we get done. Get up. Sit up. Get up in the chair.
Sit up. Sit on the chair.
I do nothing.
There we go. Get the seat back.
I do nothing wrong. But not agree with racism and y'all gonna
Go ahead.
pick on me. I do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. Look those white ass
Wait a minute. Huh? I gotta get all her information. You find ID?
Yeah, we're looking. Somehow she got through with the...
TSA.
Once at the patrol car, deputies searched her belongings and secured her inside. While gathering her property, officers also noticed an item that had apparently made it through airport security, prompting them to notify TSA. The woman was then transported to jail without any further major incidents. The woman was ultimately charged with battery, disorderly intoxication, and resisting an officer without violence. According to deputies, the battery charge stemmed from allegations that she made unwanted physical contact with another person during the incident. She was also charged with disorderly intoxication after admitting she had been drinking. Deputies say she was intoxicated in a public place, yelling, causing a disturbance, and disrupting airport operations. The resisting an officer without violence charge was filed because officers say she refused repeated commands, struggled while they tried to escort her, and made it difficult for them to safely take her into custody, even though she did not physically attack the deputies during the arrest. Court records show she was later sentenced to pay a $293 fine. What started as being removed from a flight ended with an arrest, multiple criminal charges, and a trip to jail.